Request please.
Good evening, friends.
I feel everybody is very busy with already party enjoy చేస్తున్నారు.
My loved ones.
Come on, make some noise for Naresh Garu. Thank you.
Just a minute. Every person born has a purpose. Every person has a moment in life. This is the moment of my life.
Woo!
That's because I thank you, all of you. 50 years since as a child artist, a journey with lot of rock and rolls and up and downs. Ventured into many things. Started as a child actor, as a hero, as a character actor, all at a part. Today, this moment is a success because one and all of you, my extended family, class of 80s, Jackie Shroff ji, Punam Dilwa ji, Jayasudha Garu, Hasini, Kushbu, Purnima, Menaka, every one of you, our Sujata, all my family, my classmates, and my best friends of my lifetime, all are here, all will be mentioned. And friends of Pavitra will become my friends now more than hers. From Mysore, all my relatives from Mysore, from Hyderabad, all over the country. They have come close so far with love. Nothing else, just love. My doctor friends have come, Ramana Rao Garu has come, everybody here. Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, Patapal Victor. My son Naveen is here. All his friends, Sai Dharam Tej, all my directors, Anudeep, Sairam Abrazu, Raviteja Malapadi, many others, my dear friend Koti, Chinna, everybody, Manchu Manoj, all of them, I thank them. Nothing else to speak. I just love you all. I just love you all. Today is a memory of a lifetime. Every pic has a message to say of a relationship. I get goosebumps when I say this. I thank you all for all the love, nothing else to say. Let's celebrate. And I thank my only half, Pavitra, standing by me in all my ups and downs. And today, we stand strong because of all of you. Every one of you here, in all our good and bad times, crisis, in happiness. So all together is a large celebration today. Thank you all. Love you all. Jai Hind. వీళ్ళు తనకి నచ్చింది నేను ఇవ్వదలుచుకున్నాను.
ఓ.
ఆ వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్ బిల్లో పెట్టి ఆమెకి ఇవ్వాలని నిర్ణయించారు. ఖచ్చితంగా వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్ పంపిస్తున్నా. రామ్ రెడీ అవ్వండి.
ఎంత పెద్ద హృదయం సార్. ఒక చిన్న ప్లేస్ అడిగితే ఏకంగా వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్ లో వరల్డ్ మొత్తం అంతా తీసుకొచ్చి ఇచ్చారా. ఓ మై గాడ్, వండర్ఫుల్. చూస్తున్నారా అక్కడ
సారీ ఫిక్స్ చేసి.
వీళ్ళందరితో మాట్లాడించమన్నారు. బాగానే ఉంది. ఒక్కొక్కరు పోటీ అడుగుతున్నారు. ఒక నిల్లన్నారు అక్కడ వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్ లో కవర్ చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తారు సార్? ఓకే, సారీస్
తెలంగాణలో పెట్టుకోండి. నన్ను కూడా పెట్టుకోండి.
నరేష్ విజయ్ కృష్ణ గారిని వాళ్ళు సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి మీ మాటల్లో ఎనీ స్పెషల్ మెమరీస్ ఐ థింక్ వెరీ రేర్లీ యూ కమ్ అక్రాస్ పీపుల్ లైక్ నరేష్ who is so warm, so welcoming, such a big heart and such a beautiful soul. So it's great that we are part of this 50 years of his journey and I think more than we feel very proud of him.
అండ్ అది మాత్రమే కాదు, ఇవాళ మీరు అందరూ ఇక్కడ ఉండడం మాకు చాలా బ్లెస్డ్ గా అనిపిస్తుంది. చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Jackie sir, first of all, welcome to Hyderabad.
Thank you so much, and all my love to everyone around here. Big hugs and loads of love from my family and my family out here, the whole gang. And Ramesh Garu, big number. And Ramesh Garu, see, we met, so we hardly met. जब भी मिलता है तो बहुत दिल से मिलता है. They're wonderful people. There's so much of and 50 साल golden jubilee हो गया man.
What else, sir?
Wonder, and look at him. Look at his shine. It's wonderful. God bless you and big hugs to you, Dr. Naresh. I love you.
Thank you, sir. Your presence means a lot to us.
Thank you for calling me and thinking me worth it. Thank you.
We hope that you took a home tour, right?
Hey, that's me and Puninji. You wind a little more.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. B.K. Naresh Garu and Jayasudha Garu, versatile artists of the Telugu film industry. It is a honor for the Movie Artists Association to felicitate them, because I did not tell about the greatness of the acting of all the legends present on the stage, but being 50 years, generally 50 years, నరేష్ గారిని చూస్తే ఆయన వయసు 50 years అనుకుంటారు. 50 years ఆఫ్ యాక్టింగ్ అంటే అది చాలా పెద్ద విషయం. అలాగే జయసుధ గారు ఇప్పుడు కూడా మా 50 years లాగానే కనపడతారు, కానీ 50 years ఆఫ్ యాక్టింగ్. సో ఇన్ ది ప్రెజెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ సినిమా లెజెండ్స్ లైక్ జాకీ ష్రాఫ్ గారు అండ్ ది ఫిల్మ్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ అసోసియేషన్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ పూనమ్ దిల్లన్ గారు, ది లెజెండరీ సుహాసిని మేడం గారు అండ్ ప్రతిమ జయరామన్ గారు, మేమందరం వారి సినిమాలు చూస్తూ పెరిగాం. అండ్ ఆల్ టైమ్ ఆర్ ఫేవరెట్ కుష్మి మేడం గారు అండ్ ఆల్ ది లెజెండ్స్ ఆన్ ది స్టేజ్, సాయిధరం తేజ్, అందరూ. In the presence of them, first we would want to felicitate Naresh Garu. Just 2 lines about Naresh Garu. I'm not telling about his history. He has served the Movie Artists Association as a president, as a general secretary, and as a joint secretary. During his time being a president, I think the wonderful job he has done forming the welfare association for all the non-members, because I was working under his chairmanship. We went to every artist who are suffering, who have been in the industry, who are suffering and who did not have roles, and every artist was allotted, who those who needed a pension to stay happily for a lifetime. I think that was a wonderful achievement you have done, and there are many more achievements. I will not waste the time. There are many more achievements he has done. Would like to felicitate on this evening. Nothing. You got the brilliant son, and what a lovely actor. I mean, they made me cry. They made me feel happy, and their soul cleansed me. My soul is totally cleansed with watching the film. My eyes watered. I cried. I think it's a beautiful film, and I'm going to watch it again and again. And everybody should watch it. My good Lord, what a film, man! मतलब आंसू तो निकल गया चश्मा की वजह. I cried like a baby. Thank you, and I felt proud. I felt so proud of you and the film that you guys have made. God bless Jahan. Firstly, thank you for everyone for coming all the way here to my dad's dream house, our dream house. In other words, mostly dad's, but yeah, కొన్ని మాటలు మాట్లాడమని they asked me to talk a few words, but I think I've expressed myself in the movie because generally I suck at talking.
They implemented. They don't talk.
I'm trying to ultimately I'm trying to underplay whatever I'm feeling inside. It's because it's a fan moment for me to share a stage with all the legends. I've literally been singing their songs that have been playing. So as a kid from my chuddy days to the days now where my chuddy hardly fits. So I have been the biggest fan and sharing the stage with Jackie Dada. I think I've told my managers that I've only been waiting to meet Dada and take a photo. I think I've got much more than that. So yeah, the best things happen when we don't plan. But అందరూ సినిమా చూసిన థ్యాంక్స్, మీ రెస్పాన్స్ చాలు, నేను ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడేది అవసరం లేదు. I think I can't say anything but thanks. I think that's the biggest gift you've given me. And Satya is doing very well in the international circuits, and hopefully it's going to Oscar BAFTA qualifiers also soon. So hopefully we'll see how far Satya walks, our first baby. Yeah, was there. So
Who's the father? Who's the mother?
maybe
Who's the father? Who's the mother? Father is here. You're the mother. Okay.
yeah, he's the mother, I'm the father. Popular beliefs here. So I'd like Pace to say a few words.
ముందుగా మా యంగెస్ట్ బ్రదర్ మిస్టర్ నరేష్ గారికి కంగ్రాట్స్ అండి. మా మొత్తం బ్యాచ్లో యంగెస్ట్ పర్సన్ ఈయనే. సో ఆయనకి కంగ్రాట్స్ చెప్పాలి ఫర్ సచ్ అ గ్రేట్ అచీవ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ 50 years. కంగ్రాట్స్ అండి. సో యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ సినిమా స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు నేను అసలు లేనండి సినిమాలో, కానీ నేను ఫోర్స్ చేసుకొని నేను నవీన్కి రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసి అడుక్కున్నా, అని నవీన్ ఎలాగైనా సినిమాలో పెట్టాను అని చెప్పి. సో ఇన్ దట్ వే ఐ కేమ్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అండ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ సీన్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇస్ బీయింగ్ డిస్ప్లేడ్ ఆన్ టు ద స్క్రీన్ is almost close to the range of character. And Naveen, he just said you play your natural self. That's the best thing I can do for this film. So I played my natural self. And keeping all this aside, ఆడవాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు వంటగది నుంచి బయటకు వెళ్తున్నారు. సో మనందరూ చేయాల్సిన ఒకటే అండి, మగవాళ్ళందరూ టు క్రియేట్ అ వెరీ సేఫ్ వరల్డ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద లేడీస్ అండ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద కిడ్స్. That is our responsibility as men. So that is what we have to do. And I have a small confession to make. I'm very, very happy that one of my favorite actors saw the film. Suhasini Garu. Suhasini Garu is one of my favorite actors. So she saw the film. So thank you so much for all your lovely wishes and your blessings. And keeping all this aside, Baba. Thank you, sir. Thank you for all the film, for all the compliments that really made our evening today. Thank you so much. And thank you for all the wonderful guests and for blessing us. And alage ma blessing my younger brother, Mr. Naresh Garu. So it's a very, very great achievement for my younger brother. So please continue your blessings and please continue your love in the same way for us too. Thank you so much.
One word about friendship. Naveen and he met they were on the same street. They met in a store for sharing a Coke. That's all the money they had. Yes? How many years old you were?
I was 5.
He was 5. Naveen was
6, 7.
6. So they had a bilateral agreement of sharing a Coke and became a friends. And this friendship rocked. It is a rock. An example of a friendship. All my close friends who have traveled by name, it will take a long time. I've been here. From Misha to Ram to Vijay to Sai to everyone, Nitiraj, everybody. So it's a beautiful moment and so proud to have this film in this occasion. Thank you, Saidaram Tej. Love you all. Love you all. Thank you.
It was not a Coke and అప్పట్లో Pepsi Gold Spot వచ్చేది. So it was Gold Spot. Not Coke. Anyways, thank you so much. I have a wonderful evening, all of you, and thank you so much for all your love and support.